Hey guys, this is SD. I want to run a little test here. What we've got, 13 volts. That's showing what the run batteries are. 1292. This is what the charge battery off the pulse motor side is. 0 volts right now is representing what this three-phase hookup is set up, and we're not putting out any amps. The battery that's going to be charged is 12.80. Now what we're going to do, everything is hooked up. Let me get the positive hooked up coming off of the three-phase, and we're going to go ahead and fire this up. And what I'm going to do is show you what the amp meter does. There's nothing coming out of the amp meter until the voltage shows that it's putting out close to what the battery to be charged is, and then it starts slowly coming up. So that's what I want you guys to kind of focus on. So let's turn it on. Got power on. We're going to go ahead and spin it up. A little hard to do with one hand, but there she goes. We got the pot set, about to start up position. We're at 2 amps there. Let's watch this meter here and the amp meter at the same time, showing 1282 coming out of the three-phase already. The battery it's being charged is still 12.80. Nothing showing on the amp meter yet. As the RPMs pick up, the output of the three-phase that we got built right now, it's only the 19-pound pull magnets. It'll start slowly showing a amp output, and you'll see the voltage increase on the meter. It's just to your right there. It's now slowly coming up. We're at 200 milliamps. Voltage is increasing. 400 milliamps. 600 milliamps. Still increasing. Now you notice the voltage reading off the three-phase directly is roughly 13 volts, and the reading off the battery that's being charged is at 1295. So it's about 8 volts lower than what the three-phase is actually putting out into the inverter right now. And the battery starts slowly coming up. It's at 1299, almost going to 13. And we're at 1308 here. And I notice that same difference as we run this. Okay, my big question is, the three-phase, if I take it off the load, it'll speed up just like a wind generator is and put out, but at maximum RPMs, this setup will put out 19 volts into the rectifier with a no-load setup. If I was to install the stronger rotor, it would increase this output going into the charge batteries, but the voltage would remain about the same. It would just increase the charging rate slightly different. That's what I'm reading, what these wind charge controllers do different. They regulate the power more evenly going in, and that gives you the higher outputs that I see on their videos. So that's what I want to see if we can do with this, is get the amp in to increase it a little bit on the output, but maintain the voltage. So you guys take a look at this video and let me know what you think. Okay? Alright, bye-bye.